Good morning, good evening, and good night to all my viewers around the world. I hope you're having an amazing day, or you did have an amazing day. So today we're making some delicious mango salsa. This mango salsa can be used on chicken, fish. You can use it as a salad, or you can just use it as an appetizer with some nachos. So our ingredients are 3 tomatoes, 3 peppers, 1 cucumber, 3 limes, 2 mangoes, and a bunch of cilantro or parsley, but for today we're going to use cilantro and a bunch of mint. So to start off, you have to wash all your vegetables really nicely, and then you'll start cutting them and peeling them. Make sure you cut them into really small pieces, so it's like a little bit smaller than bite size. Now that we've cut all our vegetables nicely into small chunks so they're not that big, now we'll add them all into our big bowl. This is our tomatoes, our cucumbers, mangoes, peppers. And then we'll add all of our mint. And then we'll add a handful of our cilantro. Now we're gonna add a sprinkle of salt and pepper to taste. Now we'll give it all a nice mix together. Wow, the colors are so cool. They all look so nice together. I hope everyone's having an amazing day. I know I am, making this delicious mango salsa. Now that we've mixed it all together, we'll take our lime and we'll just give it just a little bit of roll to get all the juice out. Once we gave it just a little bit of roll, we'll cut it in half and squeeze our lime into our salsa. Now that we're done squeezing our lime, we're just going to give it one more mix. Now that is a delicious mango salsa. So now that's done, we're just going to give it a try. The colors are so vibrant, it looks so cool. Now we're gonna give it a nice little try. It's so good. There's just enough lime, there's just enough of everything. It makes it so good. I hope everyone's enjoyed this recipe today. I hope everyone's staying safe, enjoying their day. And I hope everyone tries this recipe. Thank you for watching. I hope everyone has an amazing day. Bye. Oh, and by the way, if you guys enjoyed this mango salsa recipe, please don't forget to give a like and subscribe. so I can give you more delicious recipes.